I'm going to tell you what all material we require today. Yes. So firstly, we want a small katori or a, yes, a small katori 6 centimeters in diameter, not bigger than that. All right. Then if you have got a pro circle scale, you can keep that if you have the scale. And we need black marker pens, fat and thin. All right. And sketch pens and oil pastels. Yes. So now we're going to start our session. I want you all to hold your book horizontally. Okay. The longer part is like this. Like, you know, I need to show you this. This is horizontal. This is vertical. So we're going to do our picture horizontally. And we are doing Dussehra special work. So what do you know about Dussehra? Can anyone tell me? What happened on Dussehra day? Why do we celebrate it? Yes, Arjun, tell me.
The day the Dussehra was celebrated on was the day when Ram killed Ravan.
That's right. Very good. So we are going to do Ravan today. We all are going to make Ravan's drawing. Yes, with 10 heads. And that is why we need this katori. Okay. So I have kept my drawing ready. I'm going to turn my camera and I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you how to make one head. Then we're going to repeat it 10 times. Okay. I just want to give you an information. Okay, in the picture, we just need this katori maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then the rest of the heads, we're going to make smaller. For the smaller heads, you can use 1 rupee, 2 rupee coin or a bottle cap is also fine. All right. Okay, children, now I'm going to turn my camera and I'm going to show you my drawing and I'm going to explain you how to do one head. And we're going to repeat the head again and again. And for the smaller heads, like the far away heads, we're doing smaller. The front heads, we are doing bigger. All right. So front heads, we are doing bigger. And those, one of it, I'm going to draw and show you in rough. All right. So let's start. All right, so this is my artwork and I want you all to do the same. Okay, and I'm going to help you and explain how to do it. All right, so we are going to do Ravana like this and his head's in a U form. And look at the base of my, I'll just adjust my device. Yes, now I hope you can see my complete book. Henna? This is horizontal paper and in the center I have done the circle. See, it's measuring the same as the katori. And then I have repeated it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. And the later heads I have done it smaller in size so as to fit all of them. Okay, so now I want you to place the katori right in the middle at the bottom of the paper. Okay, this is the bottom of the paper. Near the bottom and in the middle, you draw and trace it. Come on, start your work. We've got plenty of job today. And we have to finish all in 1 hour. So, come on, work faster. So children, now I'm going to take my rough sheet and I'm going to draw and show you how I did that. All right. So I'll just pick this and I'll keep it open and then I'm going to draw on graph paper and show you. All right. So this is the way I traced it. But better I do it in the middle so that you too can understand it. See, this is the bottom of the paper. Okay. I have kept it in the middle. Like you can take the measurement of your hands and check whether it is in the middle. From both the sides, it should look equal. Okay. And near the bottom, then traced it. Right. Once the circle, you get the circle. Then what I have done, only for the main head, I have done a small crown. Okay. And for others, I have not done any crown. So children, now I'm going to show you how to do it. After you do the circle, you put a rough middle line, dividing the circle into 2 halves. Can you see the middle line? Yes. Okay. After that, you may do the eyebrows, curving upwards, and fat at this end, thin at this end. So do it in this manner. Then the next step you do is the nose, fat nose from both the sides. Oops, this became a bit fat. All right, and then the moustache. Now you can see the moustache style is a bit different in each and every Ravan. So I want you to explore your imagination, explore your creativity, and do a little modification. Like for example, if I'll do a moustache curling like this. Wow, look at this. Then for other one, I will do something else. Okay, so try to keep variety in the moustache, um, in Tika. That's it. But eyebrows and eyes almost same. A bit of difference in angle, slight difference in angle in for the eye is fine. Like you can almost do it like try to cover up the place and do huge big eyes. All right, so this is my rough drawing, and one more thing is constant for Ravan. See to it that you do horns. And one more, the teeth. So in teeth, you can show a bit variety. Like here I have done a different, simple teeth, and here I'm doing a little curvy teeth. So that's fine. So whatever experimentation you want to try, you can do it in the other heads. But I want you to do this head, the main head, same. In these heads, you may try something else. Another important thing, children. I have done one in the middle, then two and two. That is total 5 heads. Then here I have done 2 heads, and here I have done 1, 2, 3 small heads. So because we have to fit 10 heads and one we are doing in the center, therefore here you have to do 4 heads totally, and here you have to do 5 heads. And I am going to do along with you the rest of the drawing. Okay, so I want you all to, another thing which I wanted to mention is in rest of the 9 heads, I have not done the lower part of the face, which makes it look more realistic. Okay, so you can try to in that manner. So now I'm going to start coloring. We are going to do coloring of Ravana in means the heads in different colored sketch pens. So we can take the shades, whatever shades you have got, your sketch pen set, keep it ready and try to do nice colorful heads. So the front one, I am going to do orange and brown. So mainly try to keep one skin color. You can use any color from your sketch pen set. You can even use blue and green. Okay, to make our artwork colorful, we are going to do different colored heads. So all right, we finished with one head. I want you all to do this red down in the lower face of the main head. Okay, and the color you may choose now. Look, I'm going to show you some different colors. Like, I'm going to take blue for the next face. After this, children, I'm going to show you how to do the flames. All right. And then I want you all to complete the work. So use the best sketch pens which you have, with whose ink is not drained, it's not over. So use that one. Right, we finished with this head too, and in this I am going to do a glow tika, a maroon dot. Ravana was full of skills. And children, so he was knowing many skills. He was a very skillful person. So show that he knew magic, he knew magical tricks, and he had great powers. So in the work, you should show him with different characters. Try to do that you can show through Tika, through Moustache. Now here I have shown molds. So I'm going to do it dark brown there. Right, I'll complete it. Before we go ahead, I'm going to show you how to do the flames. All right. So I'm going to take my oil pastel box. Yeah. And from that, I'm going to take 3 colors. One is orange, the other one is red, and third one is yellow. So yellow, orange, red. All right. We just make these 3 colors to do the fire. And for the flame, we're going to do the dark color first. We'll take red first. We'll divide the flame into 3 parts. Okay, so this is 1/3. Then we'll take orange and do mixing first, and take it a little higher. Right? And finally the yellow color, which will first mix. And then we will complete the flame. Okay, so like that, we're going to do the flame work, all right, with oil pastels. So I hope you all enjoyed and had a great time, had enjoyed your artwork, today's artwork. It was something different than what we've been doing. So just to tell you that I enjoyed this session very much with you all. You all are doing wonderful art. Keep on practicing it, keep on doing it, and slowly you'll gain the finesse in your work. All right. So I want to wish you all happy Dussehra once again.